Hey, what's up guys? Today I am coming on to talk about press-on nails. And if you're anything like me, you may not have any experience with press-on nails. I've done acrylics in the past. I've done dip nails. I've done gel polish. So press-on nails were kind of foreign to me. My first experience with the press-on nails was probably a year or so ago. I was getting dressed up for Halloween and I had these black cat nails and they were like really cute. And I was like, oh, I hope these last, you know, after Halloween, at least for a week, so I could, you know, kind of wear them. Anyway, I mean, it went on really nice and they seemed like they were gonna stay on. And then by the end of the evening, I lost one, I lost two, the next day 3, 4, 5. I mean, they were just all coming off. So I was just like, you know, a little disappointed because I wanted to wear those nails. So that was my first experience with the gel press-ons. I was trying to find some way to kind of preserve the health of my nails, because after, of course, you know, you get your nails done, whether it's acrylic or the gel nails, or, I mean, whatever it is, you know, your nails just get really thin and then they break easily. So I've been able to use the gel press-on nails and I've been able to keep them on for at least 2 weeks. And I found a brand that I really like, and they're really pretty. I always get compliments about them whenever I do them, and I don't do them usually back to back. I'll try to keep them healthy and not use it too much. Another good thing is that, like, if you're going to like a special event and you weren't able to book a technician, then the press-on nails are just great, and I'll show you what I do to keep them on so long. So the ones that I've been using are the Diva Magic Press. And these are the ones that I've been using and the ones that I like. I don't know, my light is so bright. I hope you guys can see that. I've been using these and I get them in short. I have used the medium before, but I do prefer the short ones. And they come in short, medium, and long. The medium ones are actually, you know, they're pretty long. I can't even imagine what the long ones are. They're probably long. But yeah, I prefer the short ones. So you get 30 tips, 12 different sizes, and it comes with a file and a cuticle stick. I believe it's a cuticle stick. So yeah, these are the ones that I'm gonna be putting on for you guys today. Doing a little demo for you guys. I got these from Sally's, and I've been able to get like 2 sets out of these, and I only paid $8 for these. So it's like a steal when you think about it, when you would go to a technician and, you know, it's much more expensive. Along with the Diva press-ons, I do use the Kiss Power Flex brush-on nail glue. And this glue, I mean, was just a game changer. This is what I believe has kept the nails on for so long. So it just goes right on. It applies like nail polish, and it is for extra hold. So I've never used the Divas just with the gel that's provided. I've always used Power Flex brush on nail glue. So yeah, these two together, like I said, my nails will stay on for like 2 weeks. And then they're really still on, but then maybe like one random one or another random one will pop off. Yeah, they stay on really well. I don't have any problems with them. And like I said earlier, I get like tons of compliments whenever I use these little kits. One of the things that I think that also helps is that when I'm doing dishes, I make sure that I have on my dish gloves. So then that way my hands aren't constantly like soaking in water. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and do the application, and I will get everything set up and I'll be right back. All right guys. Okay guys, so I am back and I have everything set up. So I usually just set up the nails that I'm gonna use in like the order that I'm using. So that way I'm not like digging around trying to find the nails. So also what comes in the little kit is, this is what I was telling you guys about earlier, is the little emery board and the nail cuticle stick. And then it also has like a little Magic Press prep pad to kind of clean your nails off. I don't really use it, so, but I do use this, and I push back my cuticles a little. They're actually already pushed back, but I'll just show you real quick. So that's basically, I mean, you guys know how to push back cuticles. Ooh, that one didn't look like it was pushed back at all. And I might have to clip down my nails a little bit shorter because I did buy the short kit and not the medium. My nails have grown out. This isn't really how you do this. It's more like this. But like I said, they had already been pushed back. I might have did it earlier. And then you just take the little nail file and then you just rub it around your nails. Some people, they have like a tool I've seen people use that they have, they got it from Amazon, and it's a little easier to do as opposed to just doing this. But I mean, this isn't so bad because I'm not really doing it for long. Just a file, just a little. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the next step. And then this is the glue again that I use. And it has just a little brush with the polish. But before I do that, I kind of like to take all the little tabs. So then I'm not doing it as I'm doing my nails. It's much easier if I just do it beforehand. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Just take it on, brush it. And I usually do 2 coats. And I take the nail, and then I make sure that the rounded part is going, the rounded part of my nail. And then guys, be really careful because when you put this on, it sticks. And I just hold it for a few seconds. And then it's on. And go on to the next nail. Guys, bear with me. I'm still learning camera angles. I'm usually not the cameraman. Take the rounded edge. Let's see, can we do it that way? And stick it on. And then just hold it down for a minute. My finger actually slipped. So these are the first 2. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and finish. So guys, that's the first hand. I don't know if you can see that really good because the light is pretty bright. And the nails are pretty, they're like a French kind of color. So these are the nails. And then I've got the decorative one here, and then right here on the pinky. So I'll just go ahead and start the other side. I'm gonna speed this up for you guys. You definitely want to be careful with the nail glue and clean it off like at the end when you're done, because otherwise it's going to seal. And I cut this nail down. I guess I could have cut it down just a little bit more. But these are really quick. I really do like them. And like I said before, I've used them. This is my third time using this particular brand. And they have really pretty, like accent nails. I'm not sure if that's what you call them, but they're really pretty. Uh-oh, I had that one upside down. That would have not been good. Okay, there we go. And I was trying to stick to my... Okay. Yeah, so watch which way you guys are putting them on, because they're easy to kind of... it's easy to kind of mix them up and put them on the wrong way. So these are them so far on this hand. Yeah, these are fitting really nice on this hand. So we'll just finish with the last few. And the last one. And just hold it down for a second, and then I'm all done. So this really didn't take that long. I'm not in the shop all day. But I do love getting my nails done. It's so relaxing. Manicures and pedicures, I absolutely love. Okay, so this is this hand. You guys can see it. And then this is this hand. Yeah, I love them. They're really cute. They're not really long to kind of get in my way of everyday chores or whatever. So guys, that is it. It was that simple. It was fast. And again, these will stay on for about 2 weeks. Yeah, I really like them. I don't know if you guys can see it really well, but it's the accent finger on that one and then on this one. And then everything else is just, you know, kind of that color. but they stay on really nice. May in fact do the medium again because the shorts are getting short and my nails are growing kind of long or longer. Yeah, I had to clip a couple of my nails, so I want them to grow out, but I'm not sure, you know, if I'm gonna go ahead and go to the medium. I might go to the medium, but we'll see. Yeah, I really like them. Again, they're really fast, they're really inexpensive. Normally with the different kits, I can do I can use them 2 different times. Subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up in the comment section below, guys. Let me know if you use press-on nails. And if you do, what is your application process like? Stay healthy and happy, and don't forget to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.